I'm Mari Silby, Senior Editor with Light Reading here at Mobile World Congress 2018, and right now I'm talking with Rohit Mehra, who is Vice President for Network Infrastructure at IDC.
Hello, Mari.
Thank you so much for joining us. Appreciate it. So I want to talk a little bit about some of the security challenges that operators are facing, particularly as the migration continues to software-defined networks and to more virtualized environments. Can you talk about some of the new challenges in these new architectures?
Yes. We're seeing in the industry and across the industry, the number of security threats continue to multiply. And as we've discussed earlier today, some of the threats are known threats as well as some of the hidden or unknown threats, right? Now, as operators migrate and transform their networks towards this virtualized environments, the sense that many of them have is that the threats will multiply even further as you virtualize, right? But I also feel that SDN and NFV are key tools that are at the disposal of these service providers to help really identify some of these threats, and more importantly, analyze them and take defensive action fairly proactively. So nothing stays hidden for too long, but at the same time, using closed loop automation, you are able to build solutions that can actually rectify and remedify the associated threats.
Right, so there's more challenges, but at the same time, it may give them more control to address some of those challenges.
Absolutely, because the visibility and analytics in a virtualized environment with software-defined networking, and many of us are calling it, just like Huawei calls it, software-defined security. Absolutely, there's a lot more tools at the disposal of these operators today than maybe 2 or 3 years ago.
Right, so from an operator customer perspective, what should they be thinking about and what should they be implementing from a security perspective as they are moving into those virtualized networks?
As they look at various solutions, including Huawei's, from an infrastructure standpoint, you look at hardware, you look at software, virtualized solutions, or even cloud-based solutions, right? The ability to inject software-based security or software, what we call software-defined security, and really integrate it and deploy it at the intersection of networks and security. So you get the best of what the network can offer, but really integrated with the best security solutions that there are. And you may have the industry's best firewalls or the industry's best DDoS systems, but unless they are nicely integrated with the network and really be able to deploy it in that closed loop system so you can automate some of the security actions, nothing like software-defined security.
Right. So instead of tacking on some of these solutions after the fact, they really need to be part of that migration process to begin with.
I would think so.
Okay.
It's a good way to go.
Well, thank you so much for joining us here at Mobile World Congress 2018.